I hear him. He's a coming. There he is. Got lost.
Definitely stepping up the front end. It was a nice speed.
Yeah. Nice. Good. Squeaky front end. Wonderful. Squeak, squeak. I feel like those are rubber. Well, oh, we forgot the windshield. Nothing important there. How'd the back end feel?
Good. A lot better. Like those other shocks weren't shocks. Like it's everything you get.
Yeah.
Just actually.
Front end seems to be working all right, just squeaking.
Yeah.
I wonder if the covers.
This low speed, you know.
The covers don't seem like they're hitting anything.
No, they don't. It's just straight in there.
Well, hopefully the oil will work its way up in there and slide it down. You'll know by the time you get home tomorrow or tonight. Mile cam. Sounds good. Not noisy, but sounds nice. Sounds good. Sounds good. Well enough you can hear it, but still not, it's not loud where it's, knocks the car. It's nice and quiet relatively.
It's like, I think the specs are almost identical to the EV27. It hits right where you want it. Right about 3,000 comes on, which is about 55, and then that's really the range the bike is written, you know?
Yeah.
Get out there and get up to speed, see if she wants to want it.
So,
The head feels definitely tighter and like everything feels better up there. The bike doesn't feel the bike felt really heavy. Like,
flip it off.
when turning the bike before with all that other suspension on it, the bike felt really heavy. Like when you're going through it, turning.
Yeah.
With the new neck bearings, like
Well, it should be stiffer steering because those are tight. There should be some light drag on the front end, but it's before it was just the whole bike just didn't want to do anything. Did you let go of the handlebars, see the bike track straight or not?
no, I was just slow riding in the neighborhood.
Yeah. So just let go of the handlebars. If the bike's tracking straight, it's lined. If it's dragging one way or the other, you have to play around with the alignment.
Yeah.
Because that's what's going to happen. Because the front end will be one way and the frame will be cocked like that. It's going to want to turn one way or the other.
Yeah.
It's going to want to lean. So you just have to kick it back the other way a little bit. So if it's really bad, just take a couple of those wrenches with you for down there, which are probably 9/16 or halves, and you can make a quick adjustment. That'll work there if you have to coming back. If it's if it's really bad, but if it's really bad, you would have felt it, I think, already.
I had it up to 50 around the neighborhood.
Yeah. I couldn't hear you. You were gone. So.
Yeah, I went on the big loop around.
Yeah.
Just put some heat in the motor. I took it over there to where those restaurants are at. See, going through the
bumps, the bumps. Yeah. Do you hear the squeak on the front end when it's going through all that?
I didn't hear it until I started grabbing the brake to make the nose dive and see
Okay.
that. Because with that other stuff, the thing would dive so hard.
Yeah. So we're not diving anymore, and we're not bottoming out, bouncing in the back anymore. Should corner better because now it's more up in the air where it belongs instead of being bottomed out everywhere.
Yeah.
Make sure everything
It feels better, for
Make
sure.
sure everything works.
I mean, obviously I was only a little quick of a ride, but it feels a lot better.
Okay. Well, we get the bags on it then, and anything else you remember being loose?
Yeah, we'll find them as we go, for sure.
Yeah, well.
Everything seems... The windshield, I knew right away. I was like, oh yeah.
Rattle. That was all the rattles you had?
I need these, let me get some bolts to go right here.
Yeah, you can
It's going to fall off right now, but I need to get those in there.
We'll make a trip to Harley tomorrow, and today's shot because you got to get out of here. Okay, that's it for now on this one. It's working.